Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to fix Snapchat add friends something went wrong, which means when you open a Snapchat and here if you click on quick add and if you want to add friends from here, then you get an error which is as something went wrong, which means you cannot add friends on Snapchat. Then how you can fix that? First of all, what you have to do, you have to simply close the app. After that, the first trick is as you have to simply press and hold the Snapchat app and you have to click on app info. So you can simply get that by simply go to setting and going into application manager and searching for Snapchat, but this is a shortcut. So first thing you have to do is you have to simply force stop the app, and second thing is that you have to simply clear the cache of the app. And after clearing the cache, the next trick is as you have to simply open the Play Store and here you have to search for Snapchat, and after that you have to check it is showing any kind of update or not. If it is showing any kind of update, you have to simply update your Snapchat app, because many updates fixes the bugs or error. So the next trick is as you have to simply open the Snapchat and here you have to click on the profile icon. After that you have to click on gear icon and you have to scroll down, and here you have to click on I spotted a bug, and here you have to simply search for the topic which means in which you are having the problem. So you have to click on friends. So here you have to provide the description of the problem which I have already written, which is as hello Snapchat team, when I click on add friend I found an error which is as something went wrong, kindly help me in this regard, I shall be very thankful to you. Moreover, you can also add attachment and you can specifically select the topic, which is as you have to select, and because it is not showing, so you have to simply click on uh, group and friendship profile, anything you want, and after that you have to add the attachment of the problem, and after doing so you can simply click on submit and your report feedback will be submitted to the Snapchat team, and within few days Snapchat team will connect to you through Snapchat and solve the problem for you. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.